During brooding, most farmers think it's too early to start opening up the curtains of their brooders. People don't know when is the right time to let in fresh air because they think it might be cold for their birds. Well, I'm here to tell you that it's never too early. As soon as you feel like your chicken need fresh air, start opening up slowly, rolling down from the top to the bottom. Rolling down from the top makes it easier to return them back up later in the evening. Yeah, it's very important to allow enough ventilation during brooding to avoid respiratory diseases. And fresh air makes your birds very healthy. They run around, they enjoy, as you can see in the video, they're even flapping their wings because they're getting fresh air for the first time. Yeah.